Hi everyone, Tofik here. Welcome to my 5th video on my series on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for sticking around for so long. We're almost there, we just have one more side and layer to finish, and then we'll be completely done. You'll have learned to solve the Rubik's Cube. Great! So, this 5th step here, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be solving the yellow cross. So, how's that going to work? Well, what we could do, we could move our yellow pieces into correct spots, but what we notice is we're immediately breaking up the white side. So, we can't exactly do it like how we did for all the other sides, because we have stuff that we want to maintain now. We don't want to break it all up and lose all our work, right? So what we have to do, we have to use these things called algorithms. So what algorithms are, they're a set of predefined moves that we do that will solve a specific aspect for us. So, for solving the yellow cross in step 5, the algorithm we're going to use is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. 6 moves, you'll need to memorize these, but in practice, it's not that difficult to remember. We'll eventually figure it out by doing it together and practicing over time. It'll end up in your muscle memory. You won't even need to think about it anymore. So, how is this going to work? What we do is we keep the yellow side on the top, and what we're going to do is eventually we're looking for 3 yellow pieces in a row, like this. We see that that's not the case right now. So we do our algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Okay? So we did our algorithm, and now we see that we have 3 yellow pieces in a row. We have our edge pieces opposite of each other. That's great. That means we only have to do our algorithm one more time, and we'll be done the step. So what we do is we have our horizontal bar facing sideways. So it's not facing vertically, it's facing horizontally. So then what we do our algorithm one more time. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then we can see, if we ignore the corners, we've done a yellow cross. So that's great, we've finished step 5. Let's do one more practice. So what we can see here is we have no edges whatsoever. So what we have to do here is just trust me, if we do the algorithm right now, it'll eventually pave our way towards solving it. So we have no edges to orient ourselves, just keep the yellow centerpiece on top, do our algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Then we can see we have 3 pieces like that. Let's try our algorithm again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we can see we have 3 pieces in a row. That's great, but they're facing vertically. So we can turn our cube so that they're facing horizontally. Now, that means we're just one algorithm away from solving the yellow cross. We do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And now we can see, ignoring the corners, we've completely finished the yellow cross. That's great, that's the end of this video. Stay tuned and we'll solve the yellow side in the next video. Thanks.